Hello kids, let's begin our class. Today I will teach you sight words. There are certain words in English which we have to see and read. We can't sound them out. Such words are called sight words, means see and read. Let's look for some words. Eye. We have to see and we have to read. The. We can't say the. No, we can't sound them. Just see and read. The is the. And. In. On. Is. It. If. As. Am. Can. To. Go. We. Me. My. Fly. See. This. His. Her. He. Him. That. Them. These are sight words. We have to see and we have to tell the words. Write down in your notebook and read them every day. With 5-6 days of practice, you will be able to identify them and read them quickly. Bye kids. See you in the next class.